So it's mid-November, end of the rental season is here, and it's time to get my Seneca Super C motorhome ready for winter storage. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything I do to winterize it and share the experience with you. All right, so let's get started. All right, first up, I used a 7/8 inch wrench to open the plug and remove it to allow the water heater to drain out completely. Then I went to the fresh tank, opened the valve, and let it drain out completely. I closed the water heater valve to prevent any antifreeze from entering it. And then I used a cut-off hose and placed it in the antifreeze bottle, making sure that I had a snug fit on the water inlet connection so that it could create strong enough suction to pull the liquid out. Then I set the dial to the winterize setting. I went inside to hit the water pump button and then opened all the valves for the sink and flushed the toilet until the antifreeze was flowing freely. I did the same for the shower. And then the sink in the front. And then finally, I emptied all the remaining contents of the waste tanks. Okay, so she is winterized and all set for winter storage. And from this point going forward, pretty much throughout the winter months, I'll just pick it up every couple of weeks or so, take it for a drive, make sure that the tires are staying in good condition, the fuel doesn't go bad, and that the house batteries stay charged. If you happen to have any questions or comments or even some helpful suggestions, leave those in the comment section below. And if you like the video, click the like button and consider subscribing. And as always, thank you for watching and supporting the channel. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.